Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. We are going on with our reads and today's read is gonna be for our water sign Pisceans. Let's see how this Mercury retrograde is going for our Pisceans. Is it affecting you guys or is it just cannot be a normal Mercury retrograde for Pisceans if I say, or it's just a normal Mercury retrograde. Normal is way too hard for Pisceans. Okay, let's see what comes up for our Pisceans, how their energies are going on at the moment. We'll see the current energies and then we'll see what comes in the immediate future for our Pisceans. Pisceans current energy for the Mercury retrograde. If this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, Piscean. Of course, Piscean. Pentacles. More pentacles. What is this load that you're carrying? Trying to stabilize yourself, not able to. Okay, Pisceans. So we have the 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Doing everything to get the Pentacles. I mean, there's nothing that you have left. Starting from going to religious places or praying to God to doing almost all the efforts you can do, and you saw the changes as well. I'm not saying that there's no raise in your money in the current situation. I do see improvements. I do see there is a lot of raise in your pentacles, but then what is this heavy load that you're carrying on yourself, and why are you carrying such a heavy load on yourself? What is making you unstable? Ace of Swords, what is making you frustrated? I'm not getting it. What is this load? Let's clarify what load our Pisceans are carrying with such good energies. Please clarify the 10 of Wands for the Pisceans. 10 of Wands. Expectations. Others' expectations. Okay. Not your expectations. Others' expectations. Ooh. Let me tell you, Pisceans, one thing very clearly. You are empaths. I mean, 99.9% of you. So this heavy load that you're carrying is not of your own. Meditate, remove that feeling, cut yourself from the King of Cups of your life, and you'll be relaxed. That's all what you need right now. There's nothing else that's affecting you. This is not your battle. Even though I can say there are a lot of mind battles going on, there are a lot of things going on, it is not your energy that you are catching. First of all, it is the King of Cups. They are, I would say, they are not talking to you in the physical world that I can see. But again, you are intuitive, you are empath, you can catch everyone's energy. So this energy is not yours. This is some poking that's coming from somebody. So this is definitely not your energy. Your energy was only till this 6 of Pentacles, where there was a lot of raise in the money and you could even do like charity work. But then this, when you get weighed down, first of all, whenever Pisceans in your life you get weighed down, whenever you're having all these negative thoughts in your mind, first think, is this your energy? Just think about it. Just think once, is this my energy? and then try and cut yourself from everybody around. Try to cut your um, emotions from everybody around. Go inside and feel, is it actually your energy? 99% of the time it won't be your emotions. 99% of the time it won't be your negative thoughts. Your current energies were so stable. It is just that the other person is thinking way too much about you. That is the energy that you're catching. Let's see what comes next for our Pisceans. Pisceans. This is not your energy, Pisceans. Get some stability. Oh, there's so many cards. Okay, let's see. They're all upside down. Okay, then we need one more. Moving towards trying to hold yourself stronger. You're trying to hold yourself very strong in the current situation, trying to balance yourself. Somewhere you know there are new opportunities coming your way, the world is in your hands, you have everything, you can accomplish everything, and then all of a sudden this tower moment comes in your life where you're like, what's going on? I mean, I'm not understanding, why are there so many ups and downs that are coming in my life? What is happening around? And that is the time when you become very restless. That is the time when you become very I mean, being ambitious is good, being over ambitious is equally bad as having no ambition. It's equally bad. So that over ambitiousness is giving you this tower moment. You know you are accomplishing everything at the right time, so why rush things? When you try to rush the things, the tower moment comes and all the things are like coming in your life all together. So why are you rushing the things out? And then we have the Three of Swords, which we'll have to clarify because it's not making sense. Of course, love life is unstable for you. It's definitely unstable. In the current situation, cutting a certain person out from your life, or trying to cut a certain person out from your life, which is giving you some kind of frustrations. It could be because you have ended a certain thing in your life and ended a certain relationship, and that has caused a lot of this broken heartedness. And with the Three of Swords, that has caused some kind of it could be some kind of jealousy issues, some deception. No, I don't feel it's deception, but yeah, it could be. And this Three of Swords is coming because you are ending something. It's not like somebody else is ending a relationship. You are ending something with this other person in terms of love. Let's see what the immediate future has in store for you, and if it can clarify something, and if it can give something better. Immediate future, universe. Underneath the deck, we have stability. We have the Magician card underneath deck. So you are the magician of your life. You have all the stability within you. In the immediate future, we do see you looking towards a certain thing very closely. You're looking, could be a new opportunity, could be in terms of love. For most of you, I do feel it's in terms of love. It could be in terms of pentacles for some, but for most of you, it's in terms of love. You're just standing there and looking at this other person like, is this person ever gonna come into my life, or if this amount of money is ever gonna come into my life. But we have the Justice card then, which means justice is on your end, and that thing is definitely gonna happen for you. We have the Star card after that, which is the best card. Brightness, new hope, new opportunities, balance, emotional fulfillments, marriage, everything for you. Yeah, again we have the Four of Wands. So possibly either you could be moving to a new house, or again, as I said before, could be getting married and then moving on with somebody else. And it's the same person with whom you're trying to end the relationship right now. It's the same because it's coming under the Three of Swords. Yeah. Trying to gain the strength, trying to move further in your life. You will just be trusting the universe, and you're gonna take this leap of faith, and you are gonna move blindly trusting the universe. You're gonna move into this new life. You are not gonna think too much about it. You will be very balanced. You know what you're doing. So whatever you're looking towards, it could be for some of you, it could be a new opportunity. It could be a new job opportunity, or career wise it could be a new opportunity for some of you. But you are pretty balanced. You'll make the right judgment, and you know what you're waiting for right now. So that is pretty good. And then there's justice on your end, there's brightness, there's new beginnings, there's a lot of hope coming your way. There's nothing to worry about in your situation. It's just that you are catching the feeling of so many other people. And then the overall situation, we have stability. You have all the stability within you. You are the magician of your life. I mean, what else do you want from life? Okay, that was your read, Pisceans. Let's see what comes up in the universal guidance for our Pisceans. The read is good. It's pretty good if you stop catching the energies of other people. Then it's very good. But it's Mercury retrograde. I mean, we can understand. Universe, please guide our Pisceans. Guide our Pisceans. New beginnings. We have the Ace of Wands, the High Priestess, and if you feel any kind of sickness, if you feel any kind of if you feel that you need to take some rest, you need to relax, just take some time out to relax, and take some time out to just rest your mind, because your mind needs rest, and universe is understanding this thing that you need rest right now. and there are new beginnings. There are new ideas that are coming to you. You will be creating a lot of new things in life. But if you need some kind of rest, just take some rest. Do not push yourself too much that eventually it gets difficult to heal. So just try and make a balance. Make a nice balance between your work, your other things, your life, your overall life. So that was your read, Pisceans. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.